welcome back. This is HTML training week 3. What we're going to be talking about today is going to be on fonts and colors in HTML. This is a very simple aspect of an HTML and also very interesting aspect of HTML. You know, now the font tags in HTML is written like this. The font tags is written like this. Font, you open it, you open the tag and you close the tag. But this is more or less like saying, this is more or less like writing on the TD, then you close the TD, TR, you close the TR, sorry, and you now say, I am going. I can as well just write it here saying, I am going. This does not, this is more this and this is the same. But another thing you can do to differentiate, how you can differentiate them starts with this. By putting in the attributes. So, okay, let me clean this up. By putting in the attributes, let's say the face attribute, which is Roman times. Roman times, then close the font and say I am going. The font type of this is going to be different from this because we've actually written that we want the type of font here to be a Roman times font. Now that will now lead us to what kind of attributes can be inside the font tag. Font tags attributes. They have one, we have the size. That means we can change this to size. We can change this to size. And we define the size. What's the size of the I'm going? How big do we want it to look like? And we can just change it to say we want 1. The size, font size starts from 1 to 7. Now, another attribute that we can have in font tags is the face. That means what kind of font is it? What kind of font? Another kind of attribute that we can also have in font is the color attribute. That means you can change this to color, and this can also change. So we can just say, okay, if you want a red color, red. I am going to be written in red, while this will remain at black. The default color of fonts or in HTML is black. Okay, So this particular tag that we've written here can also be substituted inside this. Remember, this is going to be table. You close the table. The reason why this table is needed here is because this is table row. This is table data. This is table data closed. This is table row table row closed. So I'm just using it as a snapshot. I mean, snapshot of what you expect to get in the normal HTML. Okay. So now we're going to move this. That's all about fonts. We're going to also move to the color. You know, I talked a bit about the color. The color can be written in the words like the way we've done in the color attributes, or it can also be written in hexadecimal code. I'm just going to mention like two type of colors that we can have, and I'll take you to an example of how the color looks like. If you want white color, it's like XO F F F F, or X O X O X F F F F. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I hope you've gotten this book is also giving as part of the additional thing that we added. I mean, we had it for you to download. Please ensure you download the book and then read through. This is color. Okay. Oh, let's go back here. So as I was saying the other time, is whites can be ash F F F F. Black can be, black is ash 0000, and so on and so forth. Let's look at this. Can you see this is red? Ash, font color ash. Can you see it? It's a turn all these to red color, and it's the same thing as this. Can you see what I'm talking about? Let me show you another example. Can you see this? Can you see? Ash FFF 000. Ash. So based on what you want, you can actually specify it to beautify your website. Okay, and that's all about color. This is the white I was writing for you the other time. The black is not written here, but this is close. This is ash. So you could have your ash to be ash color could be C0 C0 C0. Okay. Another thing you can do to improve the way you write your HTML is by putting all these things in an hash code. In an hash code, I can actually write my text to be in this format and now put it inside the TD, I mean the table data, because all what you're going, whatever is going to show inside the table, shows inside the table data, and that's where the content is. So in the next lecture, we're going to be talking about uh, videos, how you can put videos on on HTML. So stay tuned. Thank you for listening. Thank you for now. All right.